very cold and frosty morning, so I decided to build these. I bought 3 more 120 by 90 metal raised beds. I built one already this morning. It was -5 when I started, but my little candle heater under there has kept this in reasonable temperatures. I think when I first read it, it says 6 degrees. Anyway, there's 2 more down there left to build, and let me show you what I'm doing. So there it is, I built it. It's similar to this, not quite the same, but very similar. Here it is. It doesn't have the protection strip on the top on this one, but you know, I got them for a very good price. And now I'm going to start to fill it. So I've pulled that green Dalek off this heap of stuff here. As you can see, there's uncomposted stuff on the top, and that will go in first. I'll just fork that in there, and then what's underneath is very rough compost, but it'll be okay, and it'll go on top of that. And then what I'll do is I'll get some of my compost that I dug out my compost bays, which is just piled up in here to dry off. It was absolutely soaking wet, but I've got a load of it here, so I'll be starting to fill them up with that. And then when the other 2 are filled, I measured it out, and I'll get the 4 bays, the 4 raised beds in here. And likewise, I'll use these other 2 compost bins that were full to pre-fill them before I actually top them up. And that's my plan for the next few days. And that's it. I've moved that pile into there, as I said, with the really uncomposted stuff on the bottom and the partly composted stuff over that. As I said, this will get covered over again with proper composted manure from last year. And I'm not sure if I'll get some other compost on top of that, and perhaps, maybe, then cover it with, as I did with this one, with some leaves and some kind of cover over the top, and then that'll be it for until I'm ready to plant. Okay, I think that's enough.